In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. We'll be working directly inside a Google Sheet, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If you want your data to look cleaner, feel more organized, and be easier to manage, turning a range into a table is a great option. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure the spreadsheet you want to work on is already visible on your screen so you can clearly see the data you plan to format. Next, click and highlight the full range of data that you want to turn into a table. Be sure to include your column titles as well, not just the rows underneath. This is important because the column titles become part of the table structure and help Google Sheets recognize your headers correctly. Take a second here to confirm that you've selected everything you need because the table will be created from exactly what you highlight. Once your data is selected, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted area. This opens the context menu where Google Sheets gives you additional actions related to the selected range. From that menu, click on Convert to Table. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will transform your selected data into a table layout. This usually makes the range look more polished and gives you extra options for managing it more efficiently. After the table has been created, look for the drop-down next to the table title header and click it. This is where you can access the settings connected to your new table. If you don't notice it right away, just focus on the header area of the table and look for the small drop-down control. When you open that drop-down, you'll see options to adjust the table header color, formatting, range, and even rename the table. This is useful if you want the table to match the style of your spreadsheet or if you're working with multiple tables and want to keep them clearly labeled. Renaming the table can also make it easier to identify later, especially in larger sheets with lots of data. That's all it takes to create a table in Google Sheets. The key is selecting the correct data range from the beginning and then using the table options to fine-tune the appearance and setup. If you're organizing reports, tracking information, or simply trying to make your sheet easier to read, this feature can save you time and make your spreadsheet feel much more structured.